look into
Swallow.
There are transcribing. Okay, DNA to RNA. DNA to RNA. Okay. The script name is 09 DNA to RNA. Just do this one in the new script. We'll just remove all the variables. Okay. So what we have to do? So when we are converting DNA to RNA, what is the change we have to do? What is the change we have to do?
T becomes U.
T become U. Perfect. So if I have ATGC, the output will be GC. So how you solve this? Anyone? Stepwise. Ajo. Step 1. You come. Is it fine? No. You come here. Write the steps. Come here. So what will be the step 1? First we will split. Huh? Yes, no, just right. What is the step? Oh, you want to write the code only. Very good. You want to write the code? Yes. Split. Square bracket 1 double square double. Yes. Next, just run these two, then check. One more. Yes. Control 2 and check what is input now. Input split. Yes. So now what do you have to do? You have to replace E. First you have to find the T. How you will find the T? How will you find the T? Equal to, I hope you remember. Input very good. This is what? This is the index. So in the index, that is assigned to a variable called index. Yeah, assign. Index equal to, in the line number 9. Line number 9 in the front. Index is the variable name. Yes. Control enter. Okay, now use that one to extract input split. Input square bracket index. Yeah. Please come in. We are very early. Control enter. Control enter. Okay, now you can replace this with what? U. So replace, how you will replace? You have to assign this to U, equal to U. The line number 10. Yeah. Yes. Assign equal to U. Very good. Now check input split. So now it is changed to RNA. But now you want to join it. So paste. So go to the code block. Yes. Output. It will be output out. This is our desired output. Output is equal to paste. Then input split. Comma. Very good. Control enter. Okay. Now check the output. Is it fine? So now our ATGC is converted into RNA, DNA to RNA. Now who will come? Who would like to make the function? Anyone? Volunteer? Function? Anyone? Just try. There is no problem. You want to, anyone try? Anyone? Function? Anyone? I will count from reverse 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You come, please. Please. You come. So first give the name DNA to RNA. DNA 2 T. DNA 2 is numerical. DNA 2 yeah RNA. This is the function name. Okay. Then function in bracket mention DNA. Okay. Very good. So first you will do string split. Correct? String split. Yeah. So first you take this one. This already there. Now change the name. Input, in place of input, it will be DNA. Right here. First. Here. Okay. Now in the left hand side, DNA split. Yeah. Yes. Now next, come here. Find the index of T. Index. Type index. Small letter also can. Whole small. So in shortcut this IDX underscore T. T. Yeah. Assign. So it is DNA split. Small. It will equal T. Capital in this code. Okay. Now use this as a for now your DNA split method. DNA split in bracket square bracket index IDX T equal to outside of U capital U. Capital. Yes. Now output which is the RNA. You can just type RNA. RNA. Sorry. RNA equal to paste DNA script comma collapse very good equal to yes. Now output return yes return RNA. Very good. Now run this. Okay. Now try one example after that. DNA to RNA. So RNA. Parenthesis. Inside parenthesis. DNA equal to now give it input any input code. Any random one. Not you. It should be clear. Control enter. Is it working fine? Very good. So this was the DNA to RNA. Okay. Now everyone is done with the function. Not finished. Now let's zoom in for you guys. Is it done? All. The top one and the below also. Very good. Top one also right. Array, don't need to take photograph. You will get it up. Type. More typing, less photography. Yes. It is no cross type. So today, I think before lunch, before tea, tea is at 3:30. We will install very essential softwares which you have done already with Conda. Transcriptomic data analysis. First QC you installed. Anyone? First QC? Anyone? Did you install during the microbiome data analysis? Have you done?
No, sir. He told only this.
Okay, then we will install our software. And also one objective that we had, we will install the Massimo's software also. That software, Xenocode software, you remember?
Yes, sir.
What was the software name? Huh? What?
Wait now. Running that.
Yes, what was that? Huh? Oracle है What was the name? You are so ugly. You guys are forgetting. Right? Huh? It was very difficult name. Have you written down? Come back. Please check in the copy. Is it done? RNA not found. This is a function. Now put the limit. Huh? Huh? Mean? Mino. That is Vinaya.
Not no. M-I-N-K-N-O-W.
M M-I-N A-N
It's fishy. No. Indian. No is a fish species.
this one. Mino where?
No,
No, not this one. What was the other one? GitHub, Massimo.
it's neon, sir.
Huh? No, not this one.
Neon. That we are using the
Uh,
What is the frequency? What's the running frequency?
uh-huh.
Is Mino? Yeah, it's coming. No, yeah.
What was his full name? Massimo? E आराम से like people would population because of good.
Jacob.com has
This one again. Real time work with data frame. Okay. But also it's very important that ggplot to work with very specific kind of data frame. We call that there is two form of data frames are there. One is wide and one is long format. So ggplot to work with long format data set. So next that we will do into is the data frame combinations. Okay. Before that, I think we will complete one more exercise which is pending. What was the exercise? Complementing a DNA strand. So if you have A, triple A, then CC, then GTG. So what you see, this is the complement strand for this one will be, in replace of A, T, what will be the value? It will be A. In place of G, it will be C. In place of C, it will be G. Then in place of A, it will be P. Then we have to do what? Reverse. First we have to find complementary, then you have to find reverse. Okay, how will we do that? Any guesses? Huh? What will you do for that? What will you do? First we will find the indexes for the nucleotide. For the indexes of A, what we will replace with that? Very good. For the index of C, for the index of G, for the index of T, A. So first is index. How we will do indexing? First we have to split. Okay. After we do the split, then we will get the indexes for each nucleotide. Then after we find the indexes, for each of the find indexes, we already know the complementary base. Correct? So if it's a T, then what we will do? We will replace that with A. Okay? Let's write it very quickly. Now create a function called 10 dash wrap that comp. Okay. 10 dash rep dash comp. We'll do the RM again just to remove all the variables. So let's suppose our DNA is so reverse complementary will be what is the desired output for us? For A, what will be the output? Huh? Reverse, not complementary. First it will be C, 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 then G, then A, E, T. Very good. So this is the output we desire. So first what we will do? We will do string split, right? Of DNA, comma, split equal to square bracket 1. Is it done? So this is our DNA split. Or we can just type nucleotide. Okay. Then we have to find the indexes of the nucleotide. Is it done? So now we got our indexes, correct? So now if you do new index of A, so we'll get the A position, right? Correct? So now what we have to do for the complementation? We'll replace with T, correct? So before that, let's keep a temporary complementation file. Temporary complementation is new. Okay? Where we make the changes. TMP com is A only. Then we will just replace this with T. Likewise, we will do for T, which will become A, correct? Then for G, what will be the value we have to give? C, correct? Yes, no? Yes. And for C, it will be G. Just run the code. Is it done? Okay. So now once you run this, so in your temp, what you will have? This is the complementary sequence, correct? But what we need? We need the reverse of it. So what we will do? There is a reverse function, correct? Of temp. Is it that? So this is our reverse. Okay. Then if I need to get the sequence, reverse complementation, what we have to do? Do paste. Join the output and collapse. This is our output. So our output is same as the RefCom output. Okay, desired output. Is it done? Huh? Let's do a paragraph. Okay. This is done now. Now let's come to our visualization. 11 data is basic. Okay. 11 data is basic. Okay. Again we will do RM. This equal to LS. नंबर याद रखते हो ना 11 नंबर क्या है वेरी गुड so what we want to visualize so let's start with the vector correct we started with the vector so we'll go with a vector so let's suppose we say this is an age vector age of scholar okay so first brother your age your name and your age only initials. What is that? AR. How much? 27. Next. Are your initials first? S. भाई क्या सलीम क्या लिखते हैं? सलीम अहमद असगर. Okay, 27. Then 80 29 then ABZ 26 then PB then NK NB 26 next SM 28 then huh huh AD how much 23 what is your real 23 yours AB
31.
huh
31.
31 okay then next
LR 30.
30 MS 28 then LF
25.
25. Then
PC.
EC.
26.
26. Then
RK.
RK.
24.
24. Then
SK.
SK.
33.
33. Then SV. B.
26.
26. Then
ST. 28.
ST. 28. Then
AG.
AG.
29.
29. Then
AC.
AC.
24.
24. Then
K.
K.
LK.
KL.
LK.
LK.
23.
23. Then
28. DR.
DR.
28.
Then 26. Then okay. RK is already there, na? Yeah. Okay, this is fine. We'll close it. Okay. Everybody wrote this? Please record. No, record is a type. Issue unit? Issue. Use. Is it done?
No.
Can anyone tell me what is the minimum of age that we have right now?
23.
23.
26.
Minimum 26. Minimum will 23. How many 23s we have?
2.
How many 27? 12? What is the median?
28.
Median.
26.
Maximum? Is it fine? Is it done? Bapre bab, how much you are going to type, ma? AG, AC, DC. Who are not finished typing? Done. Very good. Done. No, somebody is not done. Wait. What is this? Ah. Is it done? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now run. Done? Very good. All done. Hello? Hello? What? Is it done? Okay. Hello, everyone there? Okay, now what is this? This is a vector, correct? With the name, initials and the ending, initials of the your name and the surname. Then we have the age information. So suppose we want to find the mean age. So what is the function we will use? MIN. MIN is the function name age scholar. What is the minimum age? 23. Very good. And what is the maximum? 33. And what is the median? 26.5. And what is the mean? 26.95455. Okay. Chalo. Now type this functions in your script. Mean of age scholar, max age scholar, then median age scholar, mean age scholar, then this only na mode. Mode how will find? How will find a mode? The maximum occurrence, correct? So for that, before we compute the mode, we will first try to see how many times 27 has occurred, how many times 26 occurred, how many times 23 occurs, like that. What is the function? It is table. Table of age scholar. This will give us the occurrence information. Okay. So how many are there for each particular age group? So what is the mode here? Huh? What? One. We are asking mode of the age. We are not asking mode of the age occurrence. No. So for age underscore score, this is the age. Okay. From this we need the mode. How? What will be the mode? The maximum that is occurring. 26 has occurred 6 times. So how to find the mode? Maximum of this value, give me the name, which we can write like which dot max. Okay. Now before we do this, let's store this into call as table this, which is TB of age. Okay. Table age. Now we say TB age, then we get the age, which is 26, correct? And if I say names, so we get the 26. So ask is to find which makes. Okay. Hello. अकाउंट नंबर तो लाइसी थे हाँ करेक्ट है भाई क्यों ना लाइसी लगा ओके 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 हाँ ओके ओके ये टीआरएच पर लगा ओके ओके ठीक है सर ओके ओके ठीक है सर yes that too we can get from here equal to for example we find the minimum age correct so the maximum age is there maximum is 33 now yeah so for example I do age of the scholar equal to and name escape so for example minimum AD and MK okay so this is the same thing that we have tried the last time is it done very good so now from here which is we find which is max this is the 26 correct only 4 times position huh 4 times so what is table function what it does
no 6 times
Which another position?
yes which is position then what table function does What table function does? What table function does? Again, I am asking.
Age
The
and
frequency of occurrence.
Age and how many times?
Occurrence. So how many times it is occurring? It will summarize. Correct. So if I do a table of this, when I should use table, when the values is integer or factor or character. Okay. For example, I have your age information, then we have the information about your gender also. Okay. Gender. Okay. Now tell what is the AR gender? AR gender? Mela. Okay. Then cell 80. Then AB. Just copy it. Okay. For this to be easy. Female, na? Yeah. Then TB, TBF, NV, mouth, SN, SN, okay, AD, male. Next, Barca,
Male.
male. LR,
Male.
male. MS, female. Female. Then LF, female. Okay, next PC,
Male.
male. There you go. Then RK,
Female.
female. SK, SD,
Female.
SP,
Male.
male and Sara. AG,
Male.
then AC, LK,
Female.
female. DR, then NN is male. Okay, perfect. Okay, suppose now it is so easy with table command. If I now type table of gender and scholar. Okay, see, we have a very almost equal distribution with females are 12 females are there with us. Okay, and male only 10. Is it correct? Is it correct? Correct, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. By the way, I can meet only after post 6 o'clock. I can come online. Yeah. I'm in the workshop. Na? Okay. Who's Steve? Who is Iduna. No, we have the gender also, na? So now you get the point of the table function, correct? It's so useful. So to summarize the information, you can have either factor. Factor, did we cover factor till now? No, we will cover here now. So gender scholar is a vector, correct? Character vector. Yes? Is it done? Very good. Okay. Now if you do table of gender scholar, so you will get female 12 and M 10. Now we will create our data frame of scholar. Okay. Data dot frame name equal to names of each scholar, comma, then age equal to age underscore scholar, gender equal to gender underscore scholar. Is it done? Is it done?
Yes.
Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we use something called view, correct? Just view your data, df underscore scholar. Capital view, capital V, sorry. Capital V, then view. Then the df underscore scholar. Capital V. Come down. Okay?
Nice.
Huh? AR27, gender is there, everything is there. Now we will do data visualization. Before we do data visualization, first what we will learn about factor. Okay? What is factor? Anyone? Yes? Suppose we have this gender information, gender scholar, right? Now we can convert this into something called as dot factor. Okay, if I do S that factor, What's the difference? Now the codes are becoming into MM. There is no code, correct? And it is converted into something called labels. Okay. Remember this, very important. So this is a, what do you call as a numeric format in R, but it is displaying in a character format. Okay, but it is not in the character, because in character you will have codes, but this is without the character. So if you look closely inside, the label means, if you do a s dot numeric, you will find the n is 2 and the f is 1, because the labels are in f and m. So level means level 1, 2, but it is reflected here, shown is in the form of human readable format, which is in the letter format of f and m, whatever we have. Okay, very important thing. If I don't do s dot factor and directly I do s dot numeric, everything will become what? Na. So remember this. If you have a character and if you apply s dot numeric, the resultant will be Na. But if it is a factor and if you do a s dot numeric, then it will convert it into 1, 2. Okay, depending on the labels that you have. We had for the gender, male and female. So this is 1 and 2. And 1 is given to the first one. So if you see the male, female, for example this one, the first is F, then M. This is alphabetically ordered. Suppose you want the male first, not the female. What do you have to do? So you can use this factor, comma, labels. So you can design here what you want first. Suppose male is first here, then female. As this is fine? Okay. Now let's do that. It really does not matter. Okay. It really does not matter. Let's write this and we will go for lunch. Sorry, tea. I'm hungry still. No, I'm just joking. Okay, factor age, FG we say. Okay. So now you can do S dot factor, correct? And gender. Sorry, this is gender we are doing, na? So factor gender, correct. So now FG will be this. Okay. Then we will do modification. What is that? Our own way of writing a factor. Factor G modified. Factor gender, comma, labels, C of male, comma, female. Yes, right. This to FG. These things, why I am telling you, you will come into the when we are plotting, na, you will see the differences. How powerful is the basics. If you know basics, then you can do lot of advanced things. Everybody is so much interested into this. Like, yes, beta. अभी capital V, I, no, What is it? Is it done? Okay, now just run it and check whether you are getting whatever you wanted. Is it correct? FG if you type, then like this it will come. Then if you do FGM, then it will be reverse formula. Okay, the M will be first. What's up? No, character will not change. Only the labels will change. Only labels will change. Okay. Is it control 2? Install dot packages gg plot 2. Okay, this should be in quotes. Okay, the package name. Then enter. GG plot 2. Yeah, this one. Install dot packages GG plot 2. Is it done? What has happened? Yes. Yes. Yes, please start. Yes. Yes. What? GG plot 2, not dot. It is GG plot 2. Install the packages. Quotes in quotes. Already there. Zoology. वो आ रहा है. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now we have to go to. Is it done? Install the packages. Very good.
Remote sensing work.
It is done. Very
Will
good.
be there for 1 month.
Very good. Very good. You done?
Sanjay friend is previously worked in geology or forestry or something. They are conducting this kind of training program. You want to see training program. Yes. You check Allahabad University. Sir.
Yes. Is done? Yes. Now go to library. Now go and do library. It's done. Yes. No. There is no. What you are typing in here? No. Okay. Now time library. 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 GG plot 2.
This is
Plot.
it's
More than I started.
Very good.
Higher than me.
Not install. Install. Not install.
like this.
Yes.
How long you are planning?
No.
Yes.
No, आ गया. Okay.
Down.
वो उसको फिर से डालना है. Comment up कर दो. Done now. After the install again. Library. Is that install? Very good. Your is done? Very good. Yeah, now install. Install packages. Package PP, not package. bacteria. Codes. Then library, ggplot. Is it done? Done. Let's come for T. Then after that we will do plotting. Everyone able to get the figure? Very good. Now try again. Bar plot. Age underscore scholar. Are you able to see? So if you come to the plot section, this one is in the screen. So there is this back arrow is there here. You do back arrow. You will see there is something changed. That below the labels are not there. If you go front, you will see this one. Okay. Then there is an option called bar plot, comma, horizontal. See that command. Okay. Is equal to true. For is equal to true. See this one? This change the orientation, correct? Then you have something more called as comma slash is equal to 2. See? Now you get the labels. You see one problem with this bar plot? We are not getting each individual bar's name, correct? Yes? So that's why we will be using ggplot2, so that we will get all the things very clearly. Okay, now come to the code block. Type ggplot. Then in data type df underscore scholar. Okay. Then comma. Then enter AES. X equal to what? X equal to, we will keep the name. See in this one? See in the screen. So this is the df underscore scholar. Of this we will use the name as a x-axis, okay? And y-axis we will use the age. So I will write x equal to name, comma, y equal to age. Okay. AES means aesthetic. Okay. So I will be giving you the book for this one, which you have to read, which is called ggplot2 Grammar of Graphics. Okay, this is the book. There are a lot of videos are also there. We will go later on, but I just want you to ggplot2. Okay, this is the book which is freely available. Okay, and I am going to send you to the group. Don't worry, it will go to the group. AES x equal to name, comma, y equal to age. Done? Okay, next. Then we have to say plus, okay? What? Plus. Okay, see where I am writing the plus. Okay, very important. Plus. Then geom underscore bar. Then we will say state is equal to identity. Then we just run this code. See the difference? Are you seeing the difference? So we are getting more beautiful figure, huh? And also correct.
Sir, congested.
Yeah, that will work, sir. Yeah, one by one. Suppose we want to flip the coordinate, then plus coordinate flip. That's it. Very simple. Automatically it will get flipped. Fine, sir. Very easy, na?
Sir, this thing you have to make it bold.
That one also I will happen. So suppose we will do one more package installation for application. Power. Everything will
Yeah, yes.
We will do make sophisticated figures, don't worry. Okay, we see simple data we have, from there only how many types of visualization we will able to do. Okay, one more package you need to install. Install this package, GG Power. Okay, come to the terminal to type install the package GG Power. Okay, just run this first. Run this first. Install the packages GG Power. Do separately. We can do separately also. We can put it also. We can put the bracket right years. Then we can write name. Yes, is it done? Then now you try. Install the GG Power package. Then you run. Is done? Very good. Now do library. Go up in the after the ggplot to library. Go up. Yeah, library. GG Power. GG Power. Very good. Control enter. I will delete one more is there. You have to hear yourself. Control 2. Do control 2. Then one parenthesis. Now you delete this one inside. Very good. Now control enter. Okay. Now do the GG plot 2. Okay. Click in the 35 line. Control enter. Yeah. Very good. Is it fine? Very good. GG Power. Very good. Yes. Okay, you have to just state GG plot. No, GG plot is fine. Then okay, then DF column is there, no? After that comma, not values. No, read that value. One more comma, please. Very good. Now run. Control enter. Very good. Okay, everybody is able to make the figure except some people like Dr. Saha. Doctor, side please. Doctor, this side please, little bit. Yes. Okay, before, oh my god, so many errors. You are not helping, huh? My phone, please. How good? नहीं चल रहा है ये आपको पिछले इसकी तो बोलो हाँ आपको कुछ जलाना था ओके तूने करके बोल दिया तो बहुत Where is your own name? Why is there no name? Why are we doing this?
Ask how to reduce concepts.
Okay. Is it done? Is it done? Okay, now we will do decoration. Okay. Now go to your code. Come to this one GG bar, and after geom bar, after the state, do this. Then call fill equal to. Suppose we will take a very good color. Okay. There is something called color brew. Okay. Just like this, color brew. Color brewer. Enter. Okay. You go there. This is your one place shop for your color palettes. What? Color palettes. Okay. For example, this C. Very beautiful color palette. Okay. Hello. Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So there are very important stuff. Okay, you have to understand. Whenever you make figures for publication, always you will be taking color blind safe. Always remember. What you will take? Color blind safe. Click there. Okay. Then suppose their border is there. Fine. Only show this. And suppose RGB of this hexa. Okay. Let's take this one. or which one you will like?
Green.
What? First. Okay. Now you see this one, this code, hexacode. Okay. Let's take the middle one. Okay. Copy. Hash 99D8C9. Okay. Now I will go to my R. Okay. Inside this, again same codes and write. Yes. Now see it. You have the figure ready with that color. Can you see that? Okay, I will change my color because I like blue. Okay, you go and you can do again.
This will be a piece.
What you have to remember, the hexacode should be starting with hash, okay? Remember this. And you need the codes. What you need? You need codes. Control enter. Fine. No, 9 only. Then now. Perfect. Beautiful. Is it done?
Yes.
Okay, now we can actually save this whole figure into object. The beauty of ggplot2 is that you can save your code as an object. For example, I can save this one as a plot, P for plot bar. Okay, and save. Yeah, you can do it. Yes.
Each part color is same. So I want to do
We will do that, Baba. Why you are going fast? First understand this only, na. Box plot for what? Gender-wise box plot to show whether there is any age-wise differences are there or not. Okay. So we will do now next ggplot same. Then data equal to df underscore scholar. Then comma. AES. So in the box plot, in the x-axis, what we want to have? Gender. Okay. So x equal to gender. Then in y, what we want to have? Age. Okay. Then what we will do? We will do plus, and we will call the geometry. Last time we did bar plot. Now what we will do? Geo underscore box plot. Now run. So your box plot is ready. Correct? Correct? Okay. So now, what do you see? There is a difference in the age, isn't it? But we have not quantified this, isn't it? We will do statistics on our own data, and we will try to do something called descriptive statistics. What we call as descriptive statistics. Yeah. Yes. What line is coming here? So break it with me. Okay. Now, let's suppose now we want to give gender wise color. How will you give that? Very simple. You go AES. AES means aesthetic of the data, and we want to color or fill it with what? Gender. Equal to gender. One of the most important thing, if you see, that it will automatically gender wise color it will give. You see the beauty? Simple. Then automatically that will be there. If you want to see, I will show that is advanced. So I will come later. Okay. Now we have what? We have bar plot and we have P underscore box plot BP. Okay. And we will run this one also. So now we have two figures. Okay. Now we have to make panels for our publication. One is this and one is that one. Okay. How will make that?
I wanted to show that standard deviation.
That later. That advanced. It is advanced. That is bar plot with error bar. That is advanced. Okay. Is it done? Okay. Now we need one more package for doing two figures at the same graph. That package name is install. Go to your terminal and do install the package grid extra. See how it is written. Grid is small, E is capital. Grid extra. Okay. Enter. Grid extra. Grid extra. Is it done? Is it done? Okay, I am waiting for you guys. Okay, for those which is done, call library grid extra. Okay, then grid arrange P underscore bar comma P underscore BP. Okay, but it is not giving us the desired one. We want in the only one row two columns, but the output is giving us one column, two rows. Correct? Isn't it? Are you there? Everyone here it is there? It is there? Very good. Now I will say number of rows is equal to 1. I hope this is the command. Yes. Perfect. Is it fine? Yes, sir. So this is one row, no? First two columns. P bar comma P underscore BP. BP you have done box plot. This one box plot.
N row equal to only.
Number of rows. So for example, if you don't write this number of rows, then by default it will create you this one row. Sorry, two rows and one column. The figure is in one column, two rows. Okay, but we need what? One row, two columns. So we are telling, you can say here number of columns is equal to 2 also, which is same. Okay, understood? Okay, very good. So n call is equal to 2 is similar like n rows equal to 1. Are you able to run? Anybody having problem? Error. Let's go error. Who is having error? Okay, I will just take out my code. Very good. Some people are doing very great. Some people are not doing at all. This is what I can feel. The students are so beautiful. Hello. Yes, good boy. Tell me what's the problem. P bar is not found. You have to run this code on control enter. Just like this. Control enter. That's the P bar is not found. When is P bar is not there, it's not found. Control enter. What is the slide of Control enter, done. Now for this you type underscore BC. Right? Assign. Underscore BC.
GG over. He was telling GG Babar. What is the use of that?
Different packages.
What he was telling? Don't use GG Babar. Use GG Babar. Same thing.
It is for publication. You can't compared to this one.
So we have to use that one. But same command.
Package alone.
But the last day is telling it. Last day is
Is done yours? Very good. Who is having trouble? Very good. Very good.
See, I want the age, A capital, gender G capital, name also N capital. How you?
Input file we have given as
Oh, you have to put a capital A. Oh, then automatically will change.
Fine? Any silly mistakes? Is it fine? So beautiful graphs you are making.
Yes. Problem is solved.
Solve? Solve? Very good. Very good. Now we will go more complex and we will do modifications. Okay. So you see here a lot of problems are there in the figure. This is for publication quality. So publication quality for the bar plot, box plot, what we'll do? We'll go there plus theme underscore power. Again we will type. Okay, run this again. Okay. Just add plus in this after the gender this one plus theme underscore power. So now our figure is more better. Okay, more cleaner. Okay. But one problem is more there. The F should be female, M should be male, gender should be capital G. Okay. And this outlier. Outlier. So the outlier. And this is there is no data point here. So there you don't have this. Is it fine? Is it done? You are getting the same output? Some are not there. Please put the theme underscore power after putting plus in the path T underscore BP. Then run this grid arrange again. Run this code again. Then only you will see changes in the P figure. Is it done? Front row. Is it done? Yeah, very good. In the second column, very good. Third column, very good. Done. Very nice. First, there is outlier. You are going to do the what you call as this. The name is not found. Where is name? Why you? Small enough. Why you are teaching? I did not tell her. Wait, no. You have to patient. We will. I will tell you how to do it. If you ask the name, capital N, where you will find? It's not there in the data only. We will do that. We are going to do that. One by one. Is it fine? Doctors may put the WhatsApp. Okay. Madam. Hello, madams. Yes, listen.
Full of smiles.
Is it? Now they will have trouble. Okay. So bar plot. Okay, let's go to bar plot. Just use the P bar and just come to this one. So we'll fix this first. How we'll fix this? First is X label and the Y label we have to fix, correct? So we will type after coordinate flip, okay? Plus enter X lab. Okay? Age. Okay? Then plus Y lab. Name. Plus. Okay? So, but the x-axis and the y-axis are not same. So, we have to shift. This is y lab, this is x lab because we are keeping the coordinates. I think we just do this one. Wait, before the flip only you do, otherwise you will get confused. Huh? Don't worry. Okay? Perfect. Okay? So before the coordinate flip, do the modification of x lab is equal to name and y lab is age. Okay? Run this P bar. Yeah. P underscore bar in the console. Very good. So now our x label and the name is fixed, correct? Suppose you want to write the distribution of age. Okay? Distribution of age in scholars. Okay? As a title. So after the age, type GG title. Okay? This is a function for which we will write distribution of age. Okay? Then plus. Don't forget to put the plus. Because this is everything that is here. Basic is not there. Because so many materials are there. They can exist by themselves. That's always my goal. You don't have to move in the table by themselves. Only when they know how to cook, na? They should know how to cut fruit vegetables. They should know oil. They should know oil, what that's it. Mechanism is that like Chinese also. P bar. The control to go down and type P bar. Very stylish, madam. Very good. Are you happy, Doctor Sir? Doctor Ma'am Sir? Very good. Okay, now do the changes for the this one box plot. I want you to type by yourself now. Change the gender, change age. That's it. I will change the color and other stuff. But first change here. X label and Y label. X. सेम X लेवल Y लेवल करके सेम चेंज करो. जेंडर का G को कैपिटल करना है, एज का कैपिटल करना है A को बस. एंड बिफोर थीम X लेव I will do by myself. Gender Y lev age. So now suppose very important thing. If I don't want this, or this reddish and the bluish green color, I want to give my own color. How I should give?
C in the color code.
Color code, very good. But it does not work like this. It does not work like this here. You can do one thing. You can keep a variable outside to define that one. But we will not go for that complication. We will learn very simple stuff to do. Okay. So everybody is done with this. This part is done. Is it done? Okay, you finish first.
Gender.
X label gender.
Capital G.
Yes, capital G, because we have to change the Y lab is age and capital A. Very good. And run it and check whether you are getting the desired output. Are getting the desired output? Very good. Now, everybody is done? Very good. Now, in ggplot2, there is a very nice, functions are there. Everyone listening, or I should go away from here? You listen, then only I will stay. Otherwise, I am going. Okay, listen carefully. Stop typing. Okay, in ggplot2, you have additional functions to modify. For example, right now we are modifying the what? The field color. So there is something called scale. Scale underscore. What we want to change? Field. Field. Then what this is? It's a continuous or a discrete? This is a discrete because male and female is there. Okay. Then we can go for discrete also. Okay. In discrete if you go, then you will have lot of other options. Then there is something called distiller is there also there, gradient is there where you have continuous data. Then you have something to call manual where we will give our own colors. So we will select the fill underscore manual. Okay, listen carefully and see. Now we will say values. How many values we have to put? Because there are two are there. Let's I give that is sky blue and red. Let's see what it whether it is working or not. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now plus because we want to have the plus.
Can give it code also, no? Hash.
Yes, we'll try, but this is the manually we are trying. Are you seeing? We are able to see this. So now this is not color which is we want, correct? We want to take from where? Color brewer. Okay, I will take two contrasting colors. I will take this one and I will replace here. Then I will get one more, which is let's suppose greener. Blue I will take. Blue this. Done. Now, okay, since I have used only the blue, I think previously I think I should use something else. I will use light color of this one. Okay, lighter color. Paste. Is it done? So you will ask that how I remember so much. This code, it is practice. Okay. The more you make figures, then you will automatically understand. And if you forget, there is a manual which I have already shared you. Okay. There you go, you practice more and based on your data, you have to make the figures. So if you don't create your data in that format, long format, you will not able to make your figures. Very, very important. Okay, first thing to make figures in ggplot, you have to understand your what? Data. If you don't understand your data format, then it will be very difficult for you to create beautiful figures. Okay, for example, I will make this figure only very sophisticated. Don't type. Okay. Dimita, you have to see the figure first. Baba. You type later. Everything is for you only. First understand. Okay. So what you are seeing here, jitter plot. You have seen also one more thing that you can do something jitter, symmetrical jitter. Correct. So I want you guys to send me this figure only with symmetrical jitter after 2 weeks in the
GitHub.
not GitHub, WhatsApp group. Okay, that's it. GitHub I am not doing. WhatsApp group only you will do. Okay, this is one thing we have done. Second thing what we want to do, we want to change the labels. Correct? So how we can do that? Similarly, scale underscore what? This is the x-axis, correct? X underscore what is this? Discrete or continuous? Discrete. Okay, then I think this is label. Okay, label equal to C of female, comma, male. I hope it works. Otherwise, we will go for our help. Wow, perfect. It worked. Okay, but you see there is a difficulty. The gender here and the gender there upstairs is not same. You see, female is F, still the name is not changed. How will we change this? So we have to say names equal to C of what? Female, comma, male. See how we are using our vector operations so effectively. So if you don't know vector, how you will use this? Correct? So that is very, very important. Okay, still not changing. It means we have done label. Yes. Okay, this is done. Now the name of the this one is gender G is small. Let's try with name equal to, suppose we say gender. Perfect. Correct. If you suppose you don't want that information at all, what will do? Will remove. Suppose you want to remove the fill that top because that is redundant. Correct. We don't want that to be there. What we can do? We can remove also. Not RM Baba. So there is something called theme. Then legend dot panel. I think no. Legend key position. Okay. We call as none. Means we don't need this. Oh, but it is coming outside. Not position, I think. Key. None. Because this is the key, is correct? Okay, I will now do Google. Will ask remove what? Legend. Legend ggplot2. Position, oh, it is none. Okay, this is position is none, not none. The position was correct. You have to say none. Okay. Perfect. Okay, we got our improved version. Now, what is missing here? GG title. GG title. What is the title? What is the age distribution? Gender wise age distribution. Gender wise age distribution. Okay, na? It will become too much long. So we'll keep it. So now let's plot both. So now we have the figure ready for publication where we have both the information. Okay. Now one more important thing I want to show you that sometime they will do. So one more important thing, this box plot is the width is too much, correct? We want to reduce the width and we want to increase the width here. Okay, you can do this with in this grid extra itself directly. Width equal to, I hope this is the correct one, C of this one. Let's suppose we give 0.6 and the rest is 0.4. Okay, because the total is 1. You see the changes? So this is very useful. Okay. Now you see some problem with the gender wise age. This the key is missing. What we'll do so that this comes down below, we can create something like here we can give new line. Okay, and this distribution. Okay, just so that you understand this is new line. Okay, this is called new line. If you write like this also, the program will understand this. There is a new line. Okay, don't worry about that. So now let's run this. Okay, see. So the G is already there. Okay. Now what we will do? We will now save this our data into a PDF or a PNG anything. Let's suppose we create one PNG first or PDF so that you know it is vector. Then figures. Figures we don't have to did not create, so dir.create. Figure is the folder figures. Then I say figures. Then this is our code number 11, na? And this is our what? Bar plot and BP. Bar dash BP box plot dot PDF. Okay. And we want to keep the width. Suppose we keep as a 6. Height. Okay, there is no comma. Height. Suppose we take 5. Then def dot off because device is opening, correct? Done. Now we go outside. Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful figure for your publication. Yes. Now don't publish too much, okay? You learn how to make figures, does not make you start publishing every day with new figures, okay? Is it fine? Okay, let's try this. You will start coding now. Are you feeling good?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now P bar is finished, na? P bar is finished. Everyone? Now write the P BP. Okay? P BP, right? Yes. Yes. No, not here. Extra thing after. What you have to practice when you go back? Vector. Okay. Vector, data frame, factor, all the things you have to practice. Because once you understand that one, this part becomes very, very easy. Okay, very, very easy. You will understand codes very, very aram. So alpha means it is like we are reducing the transparency. Okay. The alpha means one means full black. Alpha is transparency. Yellow, yellow, dirty yellow. Yellow, yellow, dirty fellow. Who is the fellow? Anybody yellow, yellow? No one is yellow, yellow. Anyone? Except for someone? Anyone use yellow? Except anyone? Yes. What is it? What happened? Oh, very good. Yes.
Some error like this.
Just to check error, first you have to do something. Just minimize this one. And you get one. For example, here this is not correct, na? Control, na? Control enter. It's there, na? Control. Okay, after this you forgot to put plus. Plus. Yeah, now we have run from the beginning. Control enter. Just keep the cursor there and control enter. Just keep the cursor. Yeah, control enter just like that. Okay, now values. Here you did mistake. This comma. Because this is inside this function only. You are keeping outside. Okay, now control save. Now we can try this from the beginning. Control enter. Very good. Now type control enter again. Okay. Yes, what you want to type? Insert. That is insert. Function insert. Function insert. Function then insert. Not I. Maybe insert is here. That was that one. Delete. Is it done, बेटा? इधर आ रहा है तो फिर अपना फंक्शन देखो. हर फंक्शन के बाद में क्लास आता है. Parenthesis is very important. Inside the function only you have to put the parameters. Always remember. Who is having error? Okay, we'll go to the first one. Last one is and who is having error? Yellow. You are having. You are also having error. What is this error? Anyways, you have to understand. You do like this, how you understand. Okay, first there is something is error from the top. First we will fix it. One more.
What is the problem?
This is not running. And layer top you did some mistake, so you are not able to run. You have to run from here. You keep the cursor here and run, or you select all and run. Anyone? Any problem? Okay, I'm coming to you first. Yellow. First, very good. Now control to E underscore. Fantastic. Very good. Give him side now. Let's see, go there inside. Go up a little bit better. Yes, tell. First is yes, comma 0.
Nonsense. Font and nonsense.
Sir,
Yes.
Maybe we can
This is VP, na? Because there is something in this class is coming here. Okay, means you what you have to do. Go to and restart. Let's start with this time. Yeah, from here. So just put there the cursor. Come down. Come down. No, come down. Control enter. Press this control. Okay, GG plot is there. You follow the library. Walk.
Now we know what
Library, follow library. Yes. Plot 2. Where is the other one? Plot 2. It's right there. All the other libraries you can walk. Walk. No, you did not call it the library. Before GG plot is off. Yeah, 38, line number 38. Library, in quotes, sorry, in bracket, GG plot 2. And control enter. Okay, and come down. Come down. Here there is one mistake. Come down. After this, you have to do this. Yeah, now again the light is there, control. Just keep the cursor. Just keep the cursor. Control enter. Now come down. Yeah, console. Go to P underscore. Now enter. Enter. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now do the last one. This figure dir dot create. So you are creating a figure in the outside. Then do the same thing. I will just zoom it out so that you are able to. You will not do any mistake. Lot of people have done mistake here. In this one, don't end with parenthesis. This is comma. Okay. This is the function PDF function. Please finish that. Because you have opened somewhere. Close that one first. Go to your browser. The figure should be closed first. Did you only close below? Do dashboard off. Dashboard off. DAV dot off. Device off. Yes. Parenthesis. Enter. Okay. Then just try one more. Just run this one. Both. No. Only grade. Control enter. So there is some mistake. Just check p bar, p underscore bar, control 2, just to p underscore bar. Okay, this is correct. P underscore bt. Okay, both are there. I think that is width. That is not width. Width. Yeah, now try. Read extra, only read extra. Perfect. Now the result is not coming. Now here's up below dave.off. Now do full from PDF. From PDF. Again do the door off. Do the door off again. Enter. Again. No. Again. Door off. Oh my God. So many. So first you do this. Control enter. Control enter. Yes. Now go there outside. Yeah. Now check. Where is it? Yes.
This one I have answered. Yes. Male was 8%. My distribution is here now.
Here. They are not off.
Here itself, one is that side, one is that side.
Even distribution also is
And this. Until this null becomes infinite. Now try it. 89.
Mistake on this.
Then this option. Control it. Again control it. Now check. Where is your other place? Only barcode you are doing. Point is What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Is it done? What do you want to do? What do you want to do for food? Sir. Why? Why do you want to do food? You can do everything. Okay. So, whatever things you are planning to do, for that, I will suggest you the book which I have already given you. What is the book name? Where is the book? You are supposed to do a lot of stuff, but we did not finish. Where is the book? Yes, sir.
No, no, like this not.
Okay, this is the book I am sharing. Okay, lot of materials are there. For example, individual genomes we have already selected, correct?
Figure is not.
We have just explored genome bar. There is something called genome area also. Okay, and everybody listen here. In the book, you will have individual genome. In that, we have explored only genome bar, and we tried genome what we call as jitter. There are a lot of other things are also there you can do. Please do this whenever you get time. Okay, is it fine? Then there is something called collectives, which will make you line figures, for example, line plots. Okay, if you want to give color specifically, you want to just give the the linear model. This is the linear line across all the curve. This is box plot, different labels. You can color them also with differently. Whichever color you want, you can put alpha. You will get everything. You are doing box plot, on top of that you are doing a line plot, so you will get the trends. You can do like this also, and there are many options are there. This is a bar stack bar plot. This is without stack bar plot. Okay, and you have statistical summary also you can do. Okay, for example, sir already mentioned if you need error bars. Okay, this is we call it the crossbar also. The median value and the corresponding error. Then you have this is point range across. Then you have something to do with like this scale size area. You can scale them accordingly. The original looks like this. After you do a size area arrangement, it will be totally different. This is called as bubble plot. Okay. Then this is histogram. This is also color histogram, where we have segregated each of the part with the field information. This is with color and this is with field. Okay. Then similarly, you have a density graph without the field and with field information. Okay. So there are many are there. The more you will explore, the more you get. This is a heat map with the bin information where you have the data values plus also the density, which is here the count. Okay. This is a contour plot you can make. Contour plot you can make like this also. And most importantly, there are other options are there. Something to play with is maps. So you can create your own maps and you can load your maps. For example, if you like, try to get a shape file of Mizoram and try to plot district-wise incidences of oral cancer. I hope you guys can will be able to do that. But before that, you have to generate your data frame. Where what? You are not going to use it ever again. That is weight. This is what? Sorry. What is SF? Spatial file. Okay. If you go through this one, you will learn so much that you will feel powerful. Okay. Use free software. Always remember. You will understand what is geospatial data. You will understand how to do multimodal. How you will connect your genomics data with environmental data. If you don't understand, for example, that's why I am teaching R. R because why? This is very powerful. You can do genomics. You can do spatial analysis. You can do sophisticated statistical learning. You can do text mining. Lot of stuff you can do. Okay. Then, most important, if you are in biology, networks. For example, gene to gene network. Okay. So this is how you can connect. See, very nice. There are different genes. They are cross talking to each other. You can make circular figures also like this. Circular dendrogram. This is one more centrality power. You can create this kind of figure, that figure. Lot of things you can do. Okay. So once you understand our basics, then life will be very simple. Okay, there are sophisticated things are there to do. You can definitely try. I am just going to share this book for you so that you can keep learning. Sure. Hello, Professor. Wait. Coming. Where is that? Oh, yeah. First, I will recommend please do the Rosalind problems with R only. Practice multiple times. Understand vectors, understand character vector, logical operation, and indexing and subsetting. If you don't understand that one, there is no point you can do good. You will not able to learn appropriately. Okay. If I am able to make this kind of graph, it's only because I know the basics. Basics might take you little time, but if you catch it, then there is no stopping. Okay. Please say next. Also, Dirata, you are the main person. I fault, sir. Please say that. Madam, next. Okay. Okay. It's good. I will keep a document. Okay. I will share a document Google Doc which I will make it open where you will have introduction to our book. Then one more book I told you. What was the book name? The R book. For you, sir, get 2 copies in the library. Or 5 copies. 5 copies also good. Okay, this book is online. PDF you can also get. If you type just PDF. Okay. This book is very good. Very good. Okay, and also I gave you this one, Introduction to Art, that is already there with you. But this book, if you learn this book, I'll tell you the content. See, the most important thing, getting started, essentially in R language, data input, data frames. 1 to 4, if you understand, done. Just practice 1 to 4. Rest, graphics, table, arithmetic, everything is there. For example, in whether you are doing genomics or whether you are doing biology, you should definitely know what is classical test. Okay. Before classical test, you should know mathematics. Those things you will get revised, and please go to buy this book if you want. The 600 rupees only or some 2000 rupees. Buy this book and keep it to yourself. You can learn lot of stuff. Okay, highly recommended book. The R book.
Can you share the link in group?
Yeah, I will share. I'm sharing. It's the book. You can Google the for the PDF. So tomorrow someone is missing, so you will not able to capture the genomics, but nonetheless we will share you the code. Okay, we have to practice. Okay, thank you so much for today's class. I hope you guys enjoyed, because today you did something visual. Hopefully you are interesting now. It will motivate you to do more in art. Okay, I can just sign it. No question. I should have again. I'm waiting. I should have got something. I'll have fun, sir. Thank you, sir. Please smile. I'm always smiling. In my institution, people say the relative is always smiling. Because why, Yes, anything? Yes. Why? Huh? What? The smile does not cause anything. Anything else? Why I am always smiling or happy? I am not,
You are not crazy.
Huh?
To
Not
spread
anything
happiness.
No kids.
No kids.
Then
Why is it there? He is there also. That time the spine is there.
the spine has gone out now.
So one of the basic thing which is there is fundamental. Whatever you do, Swarna.
One more. So many. I got only one more. Hold on a bit.
You want good photo?
We have photos. We have photos. Still, okay. Come. Doctor, please come. Doctor, please come. Doctor. Just read now. Take a print out. You can go begin and stand up. Very good. Very good. Doctor Nirma is right. You're not covering. From here, you're not covering. Come friend. Come now.
Smart covering. Because now frame is bigger now. Up. Yeah.
The room is small. I'm not able to do. Okay. Yeah, sweat.
No one is breathing, I guess.
Okay, one second. Video.
Who taken somebody's favorite?
Should you